Right, I pulled up here at the centre of the road, signalling to turn right, and I looked to my left, and down at the very far end I saw the car coming towards me in the opposite direction. Just about there, just where that car's just gone, just there, coming round the bend. Must be at least half a mile, I think. So I thought, well, there's plenty of time there. Signal continued to proceed and turn right here. Go down that road there, and the car came straight at me like an express train in that direction and went straight through me, as though I didn't exist, straight through, and he ended up in the hedge just there. I ended up turning around, being caught at the rear end and being turned round, and I ended up there, facing in the opposite direction of the other road. He didn't brake. He didn't try to do any evasive action, take any evasive action at all. He came straight up that road there, intending, presumably, to zoom straight down that road there. Apparently it's a regular spot for accidents here. All my personal belongings ended up in this hedge, smashed the window and the rear screen. Everything flew out and disappeared into this hedge line here. Now, I can't understand. The force that hit me with spun me round, and I came to a standstill just there, next to this 30-mile-an-hour limit post, facing the opposite direction, facing that way, from about here. I'm still shaking, thinking about it actually. But that's it. What I can't understand is why didn't he brake? Why didn't he take evasive action? I mean, it's at least half a mile from that corner. If he'd have seen me, the road was wide open, there was no traffic. He could have gone round me just here and straight on, but instead he ploughed straight into me just there. I've completed about 3/4 of the manoeuvre to turn right when he smashed into me and actually wrote my car off. But as you can see, it is quite a distance to that corner. Okay.